Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the topic that is alphabets. For learning the topic alphabets, we should be learning first the values of or the position of these alphabets. A is on first position, B is on second position, C is on third position, D is on fourth position. So we should remember the position of these alphabets. For example, we are using the trick over there also. Ejoti is the trick, and all the letters I J O T Y all are having a difference of 5. So for learning the chapter that is alphabets, first of all we should remember the value of or the position of these alphabets. That the A is on first position, J is on 10th position, L is on 12th position, N is on 14th position. You should be knowing that. Now, if we are heading towards this direction, so this is our left direction and this is our right direction. So here the first question is, the first question based on the alphabet says, which letter will be the sixth to the right of the 10th from the left end of the alphabetical series? So for learning this question, first of all, we should understand the trick first. Here R and R मतलब आपको दोनों जो positions है the both the positions are given right. For example, here first position is given right and the second position is given left, है ना? So if in a question both right positions are given to you, what you have to do, you have to subtract these positions, and the overall answer will be according to the right position. And if both the positions both the directions given to you in the question is left, in that case you have to subtract the positions, and you will choose the direction that is left. After that, after that if different directions is given to you, for example here one right position is given to you and on the other hand left position is given to you in the same question, in that case you have to add both the positions and your answer will be as per the last direction given to you. For example, here the last direction given to you is left, so your whole answer will be according to the left. And if left and right opposite directions are given to you in the similar way, here the last position that is given to you is, or the last direction given to you is right, so your answer will be according to the right and you have to add these values. So here I have mentioned some points. When both positions are right or left, if both the positions given in the question is right, okay, or both the positions given to you is left, so in that case you have to subtract the values. And the second point, when both the positions are different, both the positions are different means if one position is given to you according to the right direction and the other position is given to you according to the left direction, in that case you have to add the values. In that case you have to add the values and the final direction will be according to the last direction given to you. For example, if the first direction given to you is right and the second direction given to you is left, so your overall answer will be according to the last position, that is the left, and in this case according to the right position because it is the last one or the last direction given to you. After that we have to take the positions from position or direction that is given to you at the end of the question, है ना? So we have already discussed this one कि we have to choose a direction which is given to you at the end. So now we are coming to the question number one, which is which letter will be the sixth to the right? So right says sixth of the 10th from the left end and 10th from the left end. So in this case, both the directions are given to you in opposite direction, na? One is right and other one is left, so both the directions are different. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to add the positions, है ना? You have to add the positions. So we are adding it and we are getting the value that is 16. And in this case, the last position or the last direction given to you is left, है ना? So your answer will be according to the left. Your answer will be according to the left. So last left 16th, so left 16th will be P. So our answer will be P. According to the left direction, left से हम कैसे कहेंगे? A से हमारा जो हम अगर ए से लेफ्ट से राइट की तरफ जाते हैं, सो द 16th एलिमेंट और द 16th लेटर इज P. So our answer will be P. So now we are coming to the next question. Which letter will be fifth to the left of 14th from the left of the alphabetical series? So here it is given to you. First direction is left and the second direction is also left. है ना? So first is left, fifth from the left, and second direction that is given to you is 14th from the left, right? So here the answer will be, or the direction will be according to the left only. And what we have discussed, that the concept is कि if both the directions are same, then what we have to do, we have to subtract the values, है ना? So in this case 14 minus 5 will be 9. 14 minus 5 will be 9. So our answer will be a position that is ninth from the left hand, है ना? And we have already discussed that the ninth position from the left end is I. So just we have to remember the values of the alphabets, na, ki, on which positions they are placed. So the ninth position from the left side is of alphabet I. So our answer will be I. Next question is, which letter will be 10th to the right of ninth letter from the left end? Which letter will be 10th to the right? 10th to the right of ninth from the left end. And left hand से आपको दे रखा है ninth. So here both the directions are given opposite. And in case of opposite direction, what we have to do? We have to add the values, right? So on adding the values, we are getting 19. Just a minute. We are getting 19. And which direction we have to choose? As we have discussed earlier, we have to choose the last direction given to us. So here the last direction given to us is left. So our answer will be the letter that is 19th from the left. And we know that the letter that is 19th from the left is S. So this is our answer. Next question is, which letter will be fourth to the left of sixth from the right end? Here, fourth to the left of and sixth from the right hand. Here also, opposite directions are given to you. So in this case, you have to add the values. And on adding the values, we are getting 10. And this 10 will be from which direction? The last direction given to you in the question is right. So you have to choose right direction. And now we have to choose the letter that is 10th from the right end. 10th from the right hand. So our ABCD, that is beginning from A to Z, when we are moving from this side to this side, we are moving from left to right, है ना? So in this case, it is given to you that the position of the letter will be 10th from the right. So we have to move from Z towards Z, है ना? So in this case, what we have to do whenever we have given the direction from the right, and in case whenever we have to find the direction from the left, you have to subtract the position from 27. You have to subtract the position from 27. And why we are subtracting the values from 27? Because in the alphabetical series, in our alphabets, total number of alphabets is 26, and whenever we have to find the position of any alphabet from other direction, for example here the position from right is given to you and we have to find out the direction from the left, so in that case you have to subtract from one more, है ना? So we have to subtract from 27. So 27 minus 10 will be 17. So now we can answer this question, that is the left element or the left letter from the 17th letter from the left will be Q. So this is our answer. Next question is, which letter will be the third to the left of sixth from the right end of the alphabetical series? So first of all, it is given to you third from the left and sixth from the right. So here also different directions is given to you. So in this case you have to add the values. So we are getting 9, and which direction you will choose, it will depend upon the last direction that is given to you. So the last direction given to you is right, so your answer will be according to the right direction. Now we cannot directly answer the letter that which is placed ninth from the right direction. So first of all we have to find out its direction from the left. So we have discussed earlier also that first of all we have to subtract it from 27th, and 27 minus 9 will be 18. Now we can answer this, that the 18th element or the 18th letter from the left will be R. So this is our answer. So now we are heading towards the next question. Which letter will be third to the right of 10th from the right end of the alphabetical series? Here, third to the right and 10th to the right end of the alphabetical series. Here both directions are same. So in case of same direction, what we have to do? We have to subtract the values, right? 10 minus 3 will be 7, and your answer or the direction will be according to the last direction given to you. So here the last direction given to you is right, so here the answer will be according to the right direction. So the letter will be seventh from the right. So we cannot directly answer from the right direction, so we are converting its position from the left direction. So whenever we have to convert the position, we have to subtract the position from 27, and we are getting 27 minus 7, that is 20, and the letter which is on 20th position from the left side is T. So our answer will be T. Now the next question is, which letter will be sixth to the left of 15th from the left end? Here, which letter will be sixth? So to the left. So sixth to the left of 15th from the left end. 15th from the left end. So here the same directions is given to you. So in that case, you have to subtract the values. 15 minus 6 will be 9, and here the last direction that is given to you is left, so we are getting our answer, that is the alphabet will be ninth from the left. And we already know that the element that which or the letter which will be ninth from the left will be I. So our answer will be I. Now the next question is, which letter will be the third to the left of fifth to the right of sixth from the left end? uh, Third to the left of fifth to the right, fifth to the right of sixth from the left end, sixth from the left end. So we have to solve this question. So for solving this question, there is a trick that take the last option mentioned in the question, last position mentioned in the question. So here the last position mentioned in the question is left, and add the opposite directions and subtract the same direction. So you have to add the opposite direction and subtract the same direction. The same direction is 3 and 6, so we have to subtract it. So 6 minus 3 and add the opposite direction. So our answer will be 3 plus 5, that will be 8, and the direction will be 8th from the left. So the position that is 8th from the left is of alphabet, that is H. So your answer will be H. After that, which letter will be fourth to the left of fifth to the right of sixth to the third from left end? So here our answer will be 3 plus 6 plus 5 minus 4, and that will be 10th, Hana. And here the position that is given to you in the end is left, so our answer will be 10th from the left, and 10th from the left is J. So your answer will be the alphabet, that is J. So now we are going to discuss type 2, that is when alphabetical series is reversed. So, here the question is, if alphabetical series is written in reverse order, then which letter will be the sixth to the left of fourth from the right end? So, the general alphabetical series is A to Z, and whenever it is said to you that it is reversed, it means now it is written in Z to A format, right? Now it is given to you that which letter will be sixth from the left, sixth from the left, and fourth from the right end. So for solving this question, we have to use a trick, that is we have to assume right as left and left direction as right. So I'm just assuming this value in place of left, I'm assuming it right. So sixth from the right and fourth from the left. And we know that generally we use the last direction given to us in the question, right? But here the we are assuming the values as opposite now. So right will be converted to left, and our answer will be according to the left 10th from the left, because here the directions are different, so you will add the values. So our answer will be 10th from the left, and you know that uh, which letter is 10th from the left? It is G. So this is your answer. After that, we are going to discuss type 3. If every alternate letter starting from A is deleted. If every alternate letter starting from A means the first letter that is deleted is A. So here the series is mentioned A, B, C, D, E. So in this series, A is eliminated, C is eliminated, E is eliminated. So this is the series. If every alternate letter starting from A is deleted, then which letter will be fourth to the right or fifth from the left end? Fourth to the right of fifth from the left end. So we have to find out the value. So here it is even series, and how we can get to know that it is a even series, because ABCD, in ABCDE the numbering is 1 2 3 4 5, but here the term 1 is cancelled. Okay, then 3 is cancelled and 5 is cancelled, so we are getting the values 2 4 6 like this now. So 2 4 6 8, so all these values are even numbers. So this series is also known as even number series, or you can say even series. So here in this case, direction will be chosen according to the last position mentioned in the question. Anna, we have earlier also discussed this one. To answer the question, in this case, in case of even number, double the direction. And to answer the question, in this case, even in case of even series, what we have to do, we have to double the direction. So here, the values given to you is fourth from the right and fifth from the left. So here opposite directions are given to you. So you have to add the values. That will be 9. And the last direction given to you is left. So we will carry forward with the left direction. So here the answer will be ninth alphabet from the left, right? But here it is asked to you, then which letter will be fourth to the right of fifth from the left end na? And here the series is not normal. In case of a normal series, or you can say when all the elements or all the alphabets are present, so we can say that the alphabet that is present on the ninth position will be your answer. But here the series is quite different, as it is an even number series, and even number series is like 2 4 6 8. All the elements are not mentioned over there. Only 13 elements are there in the series now. So here, what we have to do for solving the question, we have to use this trick that is saying to us that to answer this question, in case of even number series, double the direction. So we have to double the direction. It means I have to multiply 9 by 2. So my answer will be 18th. Okay, and the alphabet that is present on the 18th position will be R. So our answer is R. Now the next question is, if every alternate letter starting from A is deleted, then which letter will be third to the left of 14th from the left end? Uh, Now in the series it is given to you that starting from A is deleted na? So we are deleting A, C, E, and now the remaining one is B, D, F, H, and the numbering is 2 4 6 8. We have already discussed that it is an even number series, and here the direction is chosen according to the last position of the question, that is left. And to answer the question in case of an even number series, we have to double the direction, right? So in this case, it is given to you that third to the left. So we are writing third to the left of 14th from the left end and 14th from the left hand. And in this case, both the directions are same, so we have to subtract the values. So here we are getting 11, and according to your question, the last direction mentioned here is left, so I have written left over there. uh, so our answer will be uh, 11th letter from the left in case of a normal series. But here the series is not normal, it is an even number series. So what we have to do, we have to multiply it by 2. So our answer will be 22. And which letter is present on 22nd position from the left, that is V. So this is our answer. After that, the next question is, if every alternate, just a minute, If every alternate letter starting from A is deleted, then which letter will be third to the left of sixth from the right end? So here these elements are deleted, so we are getting this value, and this is an even number series, and we should remember that there are only 13 letters which are there in this series, because in case of an even number or in case of an odd number, only 13 letters are left in the complete series, because overall the letters are 26, and it's half are even and it's half are odd. So in this case only 13 letters are available. uh, for answering this question, we need to know that we double the place only when we know the position of the letter from the left. Whenever you have to double the place, you have to check that you have find the value from the left direction only. And if your answer is coming from the right direction, just you have to convert the direction to left, and after that you can double the value and you will get your answer. So we will discuss in detail, which letter will be third to the left. So which letter will be third to the left of six to the right end, right? So here the directions of this one is different, so we will add the values. So the value will be 9, and here the last position given to you is right. So your alphabet will be, or the answer will be, in case of a normal series, will be ninth letter from the right series, from the right side. Okay, but in this case what we have to do here, even series is given to you now, so you have to work accordingly. So what we have to do, according to your note that I have mentioned over there, we double the place only when the position of the letter is from left, but हमारे पास जो value आ रही है that is from the right. The value you are getting is from right direction. So what we have to do, we have to find out the value from the left direction. And how you can find out the value, we know that total number of letters mentioned in the series is 13. So what you have to do, you have to subtract the value from the 14, so that you will get the value from the left hand side. uh, we have already discussed that why I have mentioned 14 over there, because overall the letters are 13, and whenever we have to find the position from the other side, what we have to do, we have to just add 1 in the total number of letters and subtract it from the other side. So here we are getting 14 minus 9, that will be 5, right? So here the position is coming, that is uh, fifth from the left hand side, but here it is not the answer, it is not the complete answer. Why? Because we are not discussing the case of a normal series, we are discussing here the case of an even number series, right? So what we have to do, we have to double the values. So on doubling the value, we are getting 10. And which number is present on the 10th position from the left side, that is J. So your answer will be J. Now the next question is, if every alternate letter from starting from A is deleted, then which letter will be the third to the right of ninth from the right end? So in this case, it is given to you, uh, third to the right, third to the right, and ninth from the right hand, and ninth from the right hand. Here same directions are given to you, so what you have to do, you have to subtract the values, and the last position that is given to you is right, so I am writing it from the right side. So according to the previous note, as mentioned in the previous question, what we were saying, that we have to find out the position from the left, so that we can solve it further for the even number series. So first of all, we find the value from the left hand side. So how we can find, by subtracting it from 14. Now I'm subtracting the value from the 14 and I'm getting the value, that is 8. Now I have find out the value of the letter from the left hand side, but it is not my answer, as it is in the case of a normal series. But here we are discussing even number series, right? So what we have to do, we have to multiply it by 2, and here I'm getting 16, and which letter will be 16 from the left hand? That will be P. So your answer will be P. So your answer will be P. So in the next class we will discuss type 4, type 5, and type 6, and alphanumeric series of this chapter. So it is enough for today, and I will be uploading type 4, 5, and 6 and alphanumeric series in part 2 of this topic.